Yes, kabayan! So by now, andito ako sa Club Laia Premier District, yung entrance along the Laia Road. So tingnan natin, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng logo, yung colorway, no? Okay? Yes na yes, di ba? Oh yes, ito yon. Ito yung Club Laia natin. So from the, may pinagkaiba ba yung color? Pwede na kaya pakan to? Oh yeah, pwede na. Ang ganda naman. Pati yung flooring, ang ganda ng color, oh. So, buhay na buhay. Ay, same colorway lang. So, that will be your Club Laia Premier District. And the other side, yung Seaside District, yung commercial. So, by now, sold out na yan. Oo, sold out na yung Seaside District. Okay? So, maambon-ambon na rin. Alisin ko na to. Ayan yung ating Club Laia. Okay, and that will be the sports hub. Ito yung papuntang Lubok. So that is the west side. Ito naman eastern side, papuntang San Juan, Poblacion San Juan. Ayan. And that is yung events hub. Okay, Club Laia. So magpapapicture ako. Mamaya, picturean ko yan.